In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Gamma AI agent to research data and add citations to your slide. I'll begin on my Gamma dashboard and select the presentation on revolutionizing presentations with Video AI to open the project. Once the editor loads, I'll go to the left sidebar and click Add New Card to insert a fresh slide into the deck. With the blank card ready, I'll click the Edit with Agent button to bring up the AI Assistant panel. I'm typing a prompt to research 2026, statistics for video AI tools, and include in-text citations. I'll also specifically ask for a sources footer at the bottom of the card with clickable links. I'll hit send and you can see the agent panel on the right immediately starts searching the web for information. The agent then transforms the blank card into a detailed slide titled "The Numbers Don't Lie," filled with relevant statistics. You can see the numbered citations within the text and the organized sources list at the bottom. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using the Gamma AI agent to add citations to your slide. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.